Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bagels at home without yeast easy method. Start by mixing 1 cup self-rising flour with 1 cup plain Greek yogurt until a shaggy dough forms. Turn dough onto a lightly floured board and knead gently for a couple minutes until smooth. Divide into equal pieces, roll into ropes, and form 3 5-inch rings. Let rings rest briefly while you heat the oven and prepare the boiling water bath. After letting the shaped rings rest, bring a large pot of water to a gentle simmer and add a teaspoon of sugar or honey. Drop bagels in a few at a time and boil for 30 to 60 seconds per side. Longer boils create chewier bagels. Remove with a slotted spoon and place on a baking tray lined with parchment. Brush each with egg wash, sprinkle seeds or salt, and slide into a preheated 425 degrees F oven for 15 to 20 minutes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking tutorials. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun little treat for your ride, and yes, it pairs surprisingly well with bakery runs, no judgment. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you'd like. Now let's get back to the video. Flavor is where you can get creative without adding complexity. Greek yogurt gives a subtle tang and helps the dough hold together without yeast, and different toppings change the whole experience. Sesame or poppy seeds add crunch, while everything seasoning gives a savory punch. Try a sweet option with cinnamon sugar before baking for a breakfast twist. Serve warm with cream cheese, smoked salmon, or jam for an easy, satisfying bite every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.